Hello guys, welcome back. Today I'll show you how to fix screen flickering on your REALME 16. First, adjust brightness and settings by going to Display and Brightness, disabling Auto Brightness and Extra Brightness, then setting it manually. Try downloading a screen dimming app like Screen Dimmer and OLED Saver from the Play Store. Install and open it. Grant the necessary permissions, including accessibility and notification access. Use the app to lower brightness further with advanced options like minimum physical brightness and delay settings. If you don't like the app, simply disable the service and adjust brightness manually. As a last resort, check for software updates by going to Settings, System and Update, then Software Update, and install any available updates. That's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If so, leave a like, subscribe, comment, and I'll see you in the next one.